Hi, my name is Akshat and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do some coding in Scratch. It's going to be in parts. So in this part we are going to first learn the interface and the three ways to access Scratch. So one is to download the desktop app. Second is to use it online without an account. And the third is use Scratch with an account. I recommend to use Scratch with an account. So let's start.
So first, we have to open Chrome and insert the link scratch.mit.edu slash download. I will put this link in the description below. Then you will be redirected to this site. Scratch is available for Windows users, Mac OS users, Chrome OS users, and Android. So you can install the web Scratch app. For Windows user, you can get it from the Microsoft Store or direct download. For Mac users, you can get it from Apple Store or direct download. For Chrome OS, you can get it from Play Store and same with Android. So now let's see how to how to use Scratch without an account. So for that, you have to visit scratch.mit.edu. So here you go. Here's the link. So you will be redirected to this site. So let's start creating. You have to tap over there. So it's loading now. And here, this is your dashboard to make. We will see this in a later on. So let's go back to scratch.mit.edu. So here, now we are going to learn how to use Scratch with an account. So here you can see there is an option to join Scratch. For new users which are new in Scratch and don't have account can use here. One cons in the not a, using Scratch without an account is to save the project you made. You have to download it, and if it will take a lot, it will take space in your computer. And to open it, you have to go to scratch.mit.edu again, and then create one and load from your computer. Then you can select it. Then only it will come. But if you tap on the app downloaded, it will not open. It will ask you some things, but that won't work. Even for the app. Now, let's see the join Scratch. So tap on join Scratch and here you go. You will be redirected to this site scratch.mit.edu join. So here you go. You have to create your username and remember to not use your real name and then create a password, then next. And then it will ask more things. So now for users which have an account can go to sign in and then enter your username and password and then done you will be redirected to this site. So here I recommended this because you can save your projects online and even see others project they made and uploaded to for others to see. So everyone also made some like games, some videos, and many more. So you can see it here. And here is your create, explore, ideas about. Let's see what is ideas. What will you create? Choose a tutorial, get it started, activity guides, or you can download an entire collection of coding cards. Here are some starter projects you can make. Now let's go back. And in explore, you can see others. Let's see. You can see these are. Now you can search some and you have option for animation, art, games, music, story, tutorials. And here you can see trending, popular or recent. And here is about. So you will see about Scratch. So now the next one is search. Here you can search anything. Here is messages you got. Here is your stuff you made and your account. So now let's see the interface. So we will go to create. Now it's loading. Here you go. Now you can see there are some things which were not available in the previous one we saw, like this C project page, and even here you can see these two, save now and save as a copy. Right? Now let's see the interface. So here you have the options. So you can see your blocks you made, variables, operators, sensing, control, events, sounds, looks, motions. We will see how to create one in the later path. And here, this one, you will find all your blocks. So here is, from here you can scroll down. Here it's your space, workspace. Here you can drop your blocks and make. Now here is your stage. You can you can choose a background also. I'll tell you in a later while. And here is a sprite. Sprite means character in Scratch. So here you will find sprite, sprite written and the sprite name. You can also edit it. So let me change it to cat. So here you can see the name changed. Now here is the position. Here is show. Here is size. Here is direction. Now keep in mind what is X and Y. X means left and right and Y means up and down. So take it so for taking it to the center, we put 0 in X and 0 in Y. Here you go. So it's in the center of the stage. Now here you can choose a sprite. Here also you have an option to for same. Here you can paint a sprite or a random one. A random is called surprise in Scratch, and here you can upload a sprite like PNGs. So here you can choose your backdrop, paint a backdrop, a random one, and a option to upload one. Now let's go up. Now here, if you tap over here, you will get you will be redirected to the home screen. Here Here you can see your language you want. Here you can On files, you can see new, save now, save as a copy, load from your computer, save to your computer. Here you can see edit. So in edit, turn on turbo mode. So this is also same. Here you have tutorials. So if you need any help or want to learn something new, so you can see a tutorial. And here is the rename part. So you can rename your project. Here you can share your project. If you tap on share is only available with an account version. So if you tap on share, you share it with the public. So if you want to unshare, you have to go to my stuff, and there you have to find your project you shared, and under it there would be a unshare option. So you can see, you can tap on it to unshare. Here you can see project page. Let's see what is project page. Now here you can rename it. Here you can tell the instruction if you shared it, and here you can tell the notes and credits. In instruction, you have to tell people how to use your project, such as which keys to press. And in notes and credits, you have to type how did you make this project. Did you use ideas, script, artwork from other people? Thank them here. And here you can see how many people loved you here, how many people uh, give a star, and how many people made a copy of your project. If someone copies your project and then do some editments and then so post it, then it's okay. In the top there would be a message thanks to your name, and that would be in a box. And here you can see your views down our comments. Now let's see, go back. So here you can see the go and the stop one. Here you can edit, you can see. So if you tap over here, your states will get small, and the workspace will get big. And over here, this will get small and this will get big, almost the same size. And here, if you tap over it, this will be a full screen control. So you will see only the project you made. Now let's see over here. What's this? So if you tap on code, you will find all the codes. Here you can see the costumes. So you can also adapt it. So like I don't want to put a tail, I can delete it. Or if I want to put one, I can put it back like this. And you can change the color and more. Here is the costume too, where it's running. So here you can choose a costume, paint a costume, a random one, upload costume, or take a photo. Here is your sounds. So right now the basic one is meow because it's a cat. Let's see. See? Now here you can choose a sound, record a sound, random, or upload a sound. Okay, so we have done the interface and learned how to access Sprite. I mean Scratch.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe. If you like this video, please tap on the like button and subscribe. And how it works with you, please tell in the comment section box. Thank you.